friends, this is Urmikala Banerjee, and today we are here for a panel discussion on how real are reality shows. Joining me on the panel are Rajiv Adakia, Jigna Vora, and Varsha Hegde, who is the winner of the show King. Welcome to the panel. Our makers, the creatives are inspired like by shows like Keeping Up with the Kardashians, and also that reality TV is like as extreme as it can be. Like Varsha, what do you feel about it?
Harsha, what do you feel? You give your suggestion first. Harsha?
Okay, so for me, I feel the creatives already have a characters designed. और आप कुछ भी करवाना चाहोगे या कुछ भी करते भी हो, they don't let you show your personality. What they have written, they have designed your character, looking at your personality on your Instagram or any social media. They just want to show that part of you. If I am a very bold and badass person, they only want to show me that way कि हमेशा झगड़ती रहेगी, हमेशा उल्टा बोलेगी. But there is a kind of me who is very kind, empathetic, जो friendship भी बहुत करती है, bubbly भी बहुत है, but they don't want to show that. So they want to play with the TRPs. और अगर उनको जो चाहिए और वो मैं अगर उनको दे नहीं रही हूँ, whatever they want, if I'm not serving them on the platter, वो मुझे eliminate कर देंगे, अब मुझे वो screen time ही नहीं देंगे.
That's perfectly right. That in a way their narrative is set. That's it.
Yeah. वो दिखाना जो वो दर्शाना चाहते हैं आपको, आप वही एक्ट प्ले कीजिए. अगर आप उनके अकॉर्डिंगली नहीं जाते हैं, तो you are just eliminated or you're not shown only in the show.
But Harsha ji, I also think like this, that why do shows like public का भी पता है क्या, हमारा देश का एक चीज है कि I love India. तो हमको स्पाइस तो ड्रामा को बहुत पसंद है. देखो मतलब हर सीरीज में देखो सास को मारती है, मतलब बेटी को, ये है ढा 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 देख के उसको सब अच्छा लगता है. सत्य में जीवित क्यों नहीं चला? क्यों इतने बुरी रेटिंग है सत्य में जीवित को? इतना अच्छा शो बना, हिंदुस्तान देख रहे कि क्या क्या हो रहे देश में, जो needs the attention, needs the thing on there. Why was shows like this, like सत्य में जीवित not given good TRPs, but Big Boss इतना TRPs क्यों मिल रहे कि लोगों को ड्रामा देखने कंट्रोवर्सी देखने?
दूसरे के झगड़े में सबको
कि हमारे में we like this kind of stuff. ऐसे कुछ नहीं, हम ड्रामा एंट्री में पसंद है.
Yes.
I'm just saying कि a show's narrative is on creators. They have the narrative to change that narrative also. See, my season 15, it wasn't rated the highest. I think it was 1.9 or something. But comedy बहुत था, हमारा प्यार बहुत था, हम लोग लड़ नहीं थे, तो थोड़ा TRPs कम आ गया. रिच हाइडे बेस्ट के अंदर डाले किसी का पास का डालो, किसी को ये डालो, वो हुआ ही नहीं. बिकॉज हम लोग जो सब घर में थे वो टाइम, हम लोग सब नॉर्मल लोग थे, हम इतना लड़ भी नहीं रहे. तो मेडिस कहते थे तुम लड़ क्यों नहीं रहे हो? They wanted us to fight, you see.
Yeah.
And we were not doing it just for the fakeness of doing it. So I am saying, when you're talking about Kim Kardashians and you're trying to take shows like that out, you have to understand, India is India. We're not the West yet. We're not America. I'm from London, but we're not there yet. Sentiments, we want to embrace that life of the Western culture, but yet we're very cultured. So हमको बुरा भी लगता है ये देखने के लिए, because no matter how free we want to become, like how we judge people, like come out of the airport लोग, so ये पहनती है वो पहनती है, we're not ready for this yet. जितना हम बोलते हैं हम ready है, हम ready नहीं है, because we're very cultured people.
Yes.
So I just feel that they're trying a bit too hard, but it's coming across as very crass also. Like you have to understand that it's not just all about TRPs. You are messing with someone's life.
Yes.
Their family. It is. You have mental health issues, ma'am, when you read this show.
Yeah. In my season, 2-3 contestants collapsed mentally, and I was very clear that I don't want to. The background what I came within, my narrative was very clear. I want to be very dignified. I don't want to go to that level. It's okay. I came out on 45th day, but I played very dignified. Whether people say I didn't play, I'm fine with it. Because this is what Jigna is strong. But strong मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना कि आप कुछ भी आड़ा टेढ़ा
करो. And whoever says that you haven't played, ma'am, वो आपके साथ घर के अंदर नहीं रहे हैं.
वही मतलब it is, yes, no, they feel, अरे I cried because वो 12 साल ना मेरी लाइफ के मैं कभी रोई नहीं, क्योंकि एक मेरा इमेज था जिग्ना इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, जिग्ना इज सिंगल मदर, मैं रो नहीं सकती हूँ, और पता नहीं अंदर जाके मुझे रोना ही आता था. तो जिग्ना कैन क्राई, जिग्ना इज इमोशनल ऑल्सो. दिस इज माई रियल पर्सनैलिटी. आई कैन नॉट फाइट. कैन आई वेयर अ क्लोथ्स लाइक 20-year-old kid? No. You know, certain things are not in my frame. I am not supposed to do that. It's not supposed to नहीं है, मुझे वो करना ही नहीं है ना.
Correct.
And once you end a show like this, how do you explain what happened inside to your parents or to your
Yes.
family
पूरा
members?
करोगे तब एक्सप्लेन करोगे ना. आप कुछ गलती करोगे शो में तब आपको एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है. पूरा कुछ करोगे
yeah.
तो क्या एक्सप्लेन करने वाला है?
Rajiv and Harsh, I was so fortunate कि I came out so dignified that my son today is so proud of me कि आज ही बोल रहा था, मम्मा थोड़ा बहुत तू अगर झगड़ा करती तो एटलीस्ट 10 तक, टॉप 10 में तो 8 में तो तू जा ही सकती थी, तेरी इतनी पर्सनालिटी है. फिर खुद ही बोलता है, नहीं मम्मा यू डिड योर बेस्ट, इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट अबाउट, यू नो, वी कांट डू दैट. आज मैं पब्लिक बाहर निकलती हूँ ना राजीव, लोग मेरे पैर छूते हैं मॉल में. I think in the 17th season, I am probably one of the contestants who is getting respect all across.
Correct, man. You know, I think
इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? इसके ज्यादा क्या चाहिए? You cannot stoop to any low level, यार. That's not
Yeah.
happening. वरना गाली तो
Practically-
मैं तो जेल में इतनी राजीव गाली देख के सीख के आई हूँ. मेरे को जेल में ट्यूशंस हुआ करता था गाली का, तो देने के लिए मैं भी सीरियसली
मुझे भी जाना चाहिए, मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं इतना.
तो मैं चाहती तो मैं बिग बॉस में गाली दे सकती थी, बट नो, आई हैड माई इमेज यार. मुझे नेशनल टेलीविजन पे वो सब नहीं करना था.
That is
But the
what they
narrative-
want ना. वो चाहते हैं कि आप ये
वो-
सोचे ही नहीं.
हाँ, वो उनको वो था कि मैं वही सब करूं. अरे यार,
Yeah.
लेकिन मैं जो वहां पे एज ए रिपोर्टर थी और अभी जो हूँ, लाइफ मेरी ट्रांजिशन हुई ना. अगर मैं वही सब करूंगी तो मैं लाइफ में कुछ सीखी ही नहीं हूँ.
No, but I think,
Yeah.
ma'am, also when this channel has responsibility, which I even told them, that the country does not want to see people see, no matter how much is shown in films, in people kissing and sleeping together and having whatever. That's in films. We're still not ready. I find uncomfortable watching Big Boss with my mother when people are kissing and like cuddling and doing showing. नहीं दिखाना चाहिए यार. It's a family
नहीं,
show. See, हमको ये, as ma'am was saying that, you know, what was your question, ma'am, about the what was your question again?
Then are they copying the keeping up with the Kardashians and taking it to that kind of extreme level of? And how
I
do you
just feel
explain
things to be
yourself to
filtered.
family? Like after you do a show like this. Okay, Vaisha, I want to know, like when someone talks about reality shows also nowadays, when it is OTT reality show and it directly means bolder content, more masala, limitless. So when you go in there, like what is the mindset you go in there, and when you came out of the show, what was your mindset?
So I myself am a winner of an OTT reality show. So it was really a very different experience. Like I've seen people, like of course the production demands you to do a certain thing. They want you to do lip locking thing. They want you to get intimate with the guy and all that. But with me, I was like very determined कि मैं ऐसे सब कुछ नहीं करूँगी. Whatever I want to do, I will do in a very dignified way, but not in a very cheap way. Because I want to make a name in this industry, but not this way. You know, the content, whatever you feed, is going to stay forever on the internet. It's not going to go. So be very mindful with whatever you do. So yeah,
Yes.
I was okay with hugging, you know, and giving a peck on the cheeks, but I was not okay lip locking. ऐसा नहीं है कि tomorrow I would not do in a movie show. Of course I will do it for a movie, but it would not be okay for an OTT where it's presented in a very different way outside. But there were people who did. And कभी-कभी ऐसा भी लगता था कि oh maybe you know they might win the show because ये लोग ये सब कर रहे हैं जो production demand कर रहा है और मैं ये सब नहीं कर रही हूँ. But you know it was really tough. फिर there is a thing like you know कपड़े भी. Like if you are doing a OTT show, it has to be all out and all there. The whole show like 27 days, I was only in bikinis. Like you know dancing around bikinis, doing all the tasks in bikinis. Like that doesn't happen in like a national TV show.
Yeah.
So it was different, but at the same time, it's all on your hand also. कि आप कितना dignified रहना चाहते हैं और कितना नहीं. It's like how you present yourself. And I presented myself very clearly the way I am. कि करना है तो करना है, बट सब जगह पे नहीं करना है, सोच समझ के करना है। पहली बार में सब कुछ दे दिया तो लोगों को फिर दूसरी बार आपको देखने का मन ही नहीं करेगा।
That is.
And do you feel that creatives, makers, the channel, everyone is directly playing with the mental health of people when they
Yes.
put out something like this?
Yeah,
Yes.
so I have done 2 shows in 1 year, and I'm going through depression.
And Rajiv, we have seen your friends, like cry on shows, suffer, and you have just written also very strongly on social media that after a point these things need to stop. So when they have like come out, like how have you seen them? Like has their initial 3-4 days been, like
See,
out of
when
that
I was
madness?
the first week in Big Boss, when I was like cried every day for 7 days straight. मैंने सलमान को बोला कि मैं जा रहा हूँ अंदर, सबको डराऊंगा, सबको डराऊंगा, साला मैं ही रो रहा था 4 दिन के लिए। तो when I was in the show, I didn't realize कि इतना मेंटल इफेक्ट होता है। मेरा तो कॉमेडी था। I was like मैं लंदन में रहता हूँ, मैं खाना सबके लिए बनाता हूँ, मुझे खाना सीखने में कोई वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और जब अंदर गया था, मुझे अब तक इतना कोई मेंटल हेल्थ इशू नहीं हुआ कि बस I didn't take anything. I'm the kind of person in life, I don't take anything seriously. I take it very positively. So मेरे दोस्त बाहर आए जो ये सीजन स्पेशली, and last season also I had a lot of friends that were there. The mental health issue there because see, you're not just explaining to your parents, man, you're explaining to the whole world. आप पूरा दुनिया का भी बताना चाहते हैं कि क्या हुआ है, और पूरा दुनिया का बिजनेस ही नहीं है कि मेरे साथ मैं कितने लोगों के साथ डेट जा किया, who I've gone on a date with, how many dinners I've gone with, कितना गर्लफ्रेंड्स, कितना बॉयफ्रेंड्स, ये मेरा बिजनेस है, किसी और का नहीं है। बिग बॉस को लेके आए तो बिग बॉस को और जो भी रियलिटी शो उसको बोलो क्लैरिफिकेशन देने के लिए, आप मुझे क्यों पूछ लो? आप लोग लेके आए तो आप ही बोलो। फिर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि I think the makers, see, I love colors, I worked with them on many shows, they're lovely people, I'm not saying they're not, but I have made my point very clear in the channel also, that I feel that you have to take on consideration, this is not just a game show for fun, this is someone's life you're playing with.
Yes.
And they're going to come out, and believe me, it takes sometimes from my season till now, with some contestants, it's taken 2 years of healing to get to a good place. Because you don't understand, trolling समझ नहीं आती, why people are calling you a pimp. Like, for example, when you're connected with this kind of thing, I'm not talking about me, but other contestants that have had girlfriends or boyfriends, you're called, oh, ये करता है, वो करता है, ये करता है, ये. It's so wrong. They don't know you. They're just being shown something. The channel wants to portray to you. And to build a storyline. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. I mean, where have people come from? लोग मतलब नीचे से ऊपर तक आए हैं काम करके, मेहनत करके. आप लोग एक सेकंड में डिमिनिश कर टीआरपी के लिए. And I'm telling you now, आगे जाके प्रॉब्लम होगा चैनल के लिए हमेशा. Because now people will think हम जाएंगे, हमारे पास लेके आएंगे.
फिर भी राजीव लोग जाते हैं, फिर भी लोग जाते हैं.
लोग, see, people sometimes think that see this, let me explain this to you. I think it's the Big Boss effect. ये Big Boss effect में बोलता हूँ because यही होता है. When you go to Big Boss and you come out, Gina, I think you understand also that everybody thinks they're a star. सबको पता है कि हाँ भाई हम स्टार बन गए. ये सिर्फ 6 महीने
That's wrong. Actually,
ये सिर्फ 6 महीने के लिए होते हैं जब तक नेक्स्ट सीजन ना आ रहा है.
Big Boss
You
का
have to
fame is
maintain-
so short-lived. Yes.
And you have to maintain that fame and do things within that 6 months, otherwise you are gone. So what I'm saying is when you come out of the show and इतना controversy निकले, आप इसके साथ बात, आप क्या करो? काम ढूंढो पहले कि ये पहले आप क्लियर करो. आपको पता नहीं क्या
अपना हील करो. I know, पहले हील करो, काम ढूंढो, फ्यूचर का लाइनअप करो, क्या करो. It is totally haywire.
I just feel any reality show when वो लोग हमको खुद बोलते हैं बाहर की बात मत करो.
वही तो बोल रहे.
वो लोग खुद कर रहे हैं.
And finally, do you think the INB ministry should kind of step in and put some kind of guidelines in place?
See, when you're starting a reality show and you're putting your life on a contract like that, there's not really much they can do because that's not. I would rather they intervene in places like serious issues. I don't think it's a serious enough issue for it to be stopped, because I think it's up to us as people, because if I was not sure and that happened to me, I would have walked out and I would have paid that penalty.
It's simple as that. If you are not comfortable,
so I feel
चुप बैठो, नहीं करो, कुछ मत करो, कुछ
There are
इन्वॉल्व मत हो.
guidelines to be
क्यों?
brought, I think, for mental health.
I am also astrologer, tarot card reader, and a healer. So I know
Wow.
how this goes on. You know, it is
Yeah.
very difficult. In my season also, there was a contestant who had broke down like in the middle of the night. Oh, he used to, matlab, he used to just sleep on my lap, hold me so tight. मुझे लगा ये मेरे को मार ही डालेगा. उसको इतना पैनिक अटैक आया था.
You
इतना
have
पैनिक
to.
अटैक आया.
The whole reality space now, I feel, by doing these things or bringing personal issues outside, you know, it's very wrong because people are going through serious mental health issues, and I'm telling you,
Yeah.
it can lead to worse things, and it will be people's consciences, unfortunately.
And also, I would like to add, it's not about how they want to get your personal things, but they also want to react in a certain way. Like they also want you to, react. Like if you are okay with your past, like I am okay with my
Yeah.
past, whatever it is, and I am like okay with it. Chal, theek hai, this was my past. I've overgrown it. They don't want that answer. They
Yes,
want you
they
to
want
sulk in
it.
that pain.
Yes.
They want
अरे
you to
भाई
cry
किस
on
क्या
that
घर में
pain.
निकालो, मैं जाऊंगा
Yes.
घर से ये चाहिए.
हाँ, they want
ये
you
वो
to
तो
मेरा
मैंने तो
इतना
बहुत अच्छा
बुरा
किया
हाल
था.
था, मैं इतने दिन रोई थी. They want you to show that negative
So,
side,
yes.
and not
They-
not the warrior of you जो आप उस situation से बाहर निकले हो.
They want you to be victim only.
Yes.
They
So
want
अगर आप
had
बोलेंगे
I-
ना कि हाँ
yes.
मेरे साथ लाइफ में ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है और मैं इससे
I know.
निकली हूँ, वो उनको सुनना ही नहीं है. आपके
नहीं
साथ लाइफ में
सुनना.
हुआ तब आपको कैसे लगा, कितना दर्द हुआ, वो जानना है उनको.
See,
And then
Big
you
Boss,
know, yes.
reality shows are good. See, there are good platforms. I love the channel. I love Big Boss. I'm not saying I don't. I love the show very much. It's just certain issues like this on every, whether it's Lock Up, whether it's Big Boss, whether it's Luckily खतरों के खिलाड़ी बहुत अच्छा है, उसमें कुछ नहीं होता है ऐसे. But I'm just saying, other shows like that, you know, that have come about, I just wish humanity comes into play more than anything.
Yeah.
Humanity comes into play.
Yeah.
That how would you feel if you're in that situation? Let's
There
build a
should be
show on someone's.
compassion.
Yeah, compassion.
Yeah.
Compassion has to bear, empathy should be there. You know, like you cannot just take everything for every contestant's emotions for granted.
Yeah, exactly.
should
And
not
the thing
take
is, at
that.
least Big Boss has a certain pattern. When a person does another reality show, आप कुछ भी चीज को रिजेक्ट करते हो, बोलते हैं दिस इज द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द शो, और फॉर्मेट कंप्लीटली आपको बताया भी नहीं जाता है. बिग बॉस का तो आपको फॉर्मेट पता है बिकॉज आप इतने
पता
सालों
है.
से देख रहे हैं.
देख रहे हो.
द अदर शोज यू डोंट इवन नो द फॉर्मेट एंड दे जस्ट
Oh,
से कि
okay.
फॉर्मेट ऑफ द शो है, आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करने से पहले पूछना चाहिए था. बट व्हेन वी
Correct.
आस्क दे डोंट इवन
Oh,
से.
okay.
इट्स अ सीक्रेटिव
Okay.
फॉर्मेट ऑफ एवरी शो.
Correct. I agree with you.
Thank you so much for being a part of this and having
Thank you.
valuable, and such wonderful insights on this whole issue.